Good afternoon, folks. Our Love to Bike coming at you from the north woods of Wisconsin. We're going to take a walk up along the St. Croix River, and I thought I might bring you along. This is part of the North Country Trail right here. I don't know how much of the trail I'll walk. I'll probably walk the river, but I thought I'd bring you along. This is the Moose River here. It's froze over. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, but down there at the end it dumps into the St. Croix. That's the St. Croix there. So we're going to get our hike on, head up here to the river and hop on the river and go for a walk. I'll get back at you. We are at a camp spot along the St. Croix River, also along the North Country Trail, but it's part of the St. Croix River National Riverway Act. I've stayed here a few times. And we'll hit the river for a while. And now we're up to Scotts Rapids. Sure is beautiful along in here though, the ice formations. I think that sign has been there for a while. Very windy today. About 25 degrees, which is 50 degrees warmer than it was a day ago. We had 25 below I don't know, what would have that been? Monday morning. what is now the North Country Trail, part of the North Country Trail, I should say. This used to be a trail that went up to the Gibson Cabin. And that was forfeited when they had the National River Act go in. Well, we'll go visit that. This is the Gibson Cabin. I really don't know how far it is off the road. Probably 3/4 of a mile, I'm guessing. 3/4 of a mile, probably. It has been restored somewhat from what it was. Log and stone. And here we are inside. You see the nice hardwood floors they got there. Beams, beam and log structure, fireplace. This cabin was built by the Stocking family from Minnesota, from Duluth, Minnesota, and then they lived here for a while. It was called the Gibson Cabin because Stocking's daughter was married to a Gibson, and she's the one that had the cabin. This might be too dark to pick up. And a screened-in porch here. Well, this is my turnaround spot today. I am probably about 1.5 miles in off of the road. I'm just guessing at that. Nice little spot here. Had lunch here a few times. Little point that sticks out in the river. Well folks, I'm going to cut this off now. It's longer than I intended it to be, but I want to thank you all for watching, and I appreciate any comments you may have.